I got those pins out. And I got the door off. This is right over there. Let's see if I can get this other door on before I go in the house. Pretty excited. Okay, well, there was one stuck right there. It took some hammer, chisel, maybe a cursor 7. Let's see if we can get it hung up here. And I can shut this one down for the day, maybe. Come back at the other side tomorrow. All right, well, it's hanging there. I got some new pins coming. I'll just put some temporaries in for now. But, ouch, that door's hard. Once it gets on there, I'll bring it back in so you can see it. And we'll all celebrate with a nice big red. All right, let's see what we can do. That didn't work. Try this one. Struggle bus. Seat for 1, please. Well, we'll get you back in here in a minute. Okay, well, I got it in there. There's some temporary pins, some bolts. I think we might have a bend or the body's twisted or something, but, you know, it's got a little bit of rust there. I think it looks halfway okay. Yeah, struggle bus came early, stayed a long time. The new pins should be here by the weekend. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna stop for tonight and we'll see if we can get that other one tomorrow. Well, it's on there temporarily. Got a little clamp up there. It's totally the wrong color, but it'll look great, I think. You know, we put a little number right here. In case you're wondering, it's gonna be 72. Tomorrow, we're gonna see, we got that one out and I got that one out. This one's next. I did get that PB blaster stuff. Been soaking it down, pounding on it a little bit, soaking it down. So we're gonna give it a go tomorrow, see if we can get this door changed out, and hopefully we do. See you then.